Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Now today isn't quite an unboxing, but I think you'll still enjoy it because we have a few coins to look at. The first is the gold, the bear. This is the next in the World's Wildlife series. This is number 4 in the series. And first up we are looking at the 1 ounce gold version. So you can see here you have a huge bear in the middle, roaring and showing his teeth, which is looking quite strong and very, very dangerous there. Now let's just open up this capsule because I think it will give us definitely a better look at this coin, and it's always nice, especially with these bullion coins, having a close-up look just at the minting there. Now this is pressed by for the Republic of Congo. And you can see there it is 100 francs, 2022. And you've got the Congo coat of arms there. Very, very cool. Just the nice gold coming through. Oh, I've got to love that glimmer, the light coming off this piece. And as I mentioned before, this one is the bear. And it's part of the World's Wildlife series. And just in the background there, you've got some forest trees, pine trees it looks like, and this bear looks like he's in a bit of an opening of the forest coming out to show his or her strength. Very cool. Love the detail on the fur there for this piece. Very, very nice. Now this gold coin does have a mintage of 1,000 pieces. So that is the first coin we're going to look at today. 1,000 for the gold. That's 1 ounce gold, of course. And then here in the second wallet, we have the same coin, but the other versions that are also part of this series. And I always love comparing these types of coins together. Of course, they all have the same image on the front, which for Series 4 is the bear. They are all 1 ounce, either gold or in this case silver. And this is definitely the largest of the mintages. The silver in 1 ounce is 30,000 pieces. And again, you can see the bear on the reverse of the coin. We've got the lovely fur there. World's Wildlife, the globe. Love the rim, of course, especially in the silver bullion. And there we go again, the coat of arms for the Republic of Congo, 20 francs. And of course, again, it is a 2022 coin. Very nice. So if you're looking to pump up your silver bullion collection, definitely one to add to it. And now, and finally, we have the color version. So the color version, this is 5,000 pieces have been done in color, and that's also on 1 ounce silver, as I mentioned before. And the coloring really does bring that bear out. Nearly pops out of the coin. We've got our tree on the right hand side there colored in. Bear looking even more menacing with that roar. Just imagine what that sounds like. Such a strong animal, and so symbolic for a lot of cultures around the world. Just that image of strength. And of course, once again, we do have the coat of arms for Congo, 20 francs, and once again 2022. So there we have it. We've got the color version, the silver version, and the gold version, all side by side. Which one's your favorite? And just to review that, the color is 5,000 pieces, the silver is 30,000 pieces, and the gold just 1,000 of those have been struck. So if you're interested in any of these pieces, check them out. www.emk.com.